Good afternoon. Tonight we're doing a cooking class. So they're coming to pick us up at our Airbnb at like 3:30 or 4. And then they're taking us to the market to buy the food for the cooking class. And then we're going back and cooking it all. And it's gonna be like a feast. There are so many dishes, it looks like. But we're pretty pumped, and the ride should be here any moment.
I'm going to a cooking class and we're gonna make our own food.
That sounds like a lot of fun.
So we're headed to the best Thai cooking course.
We gotta go to a cooking class today and we gotta make, what is it again?
7 different things.
7 different things. And there's kitties here.
Yeah.
I'm sitting on here, man.
Oh, Pan Man.
Private class today. Anyone vegetarian today?
No.
Oh, okay, perfect.
So we'll do a fried holy basil leaf and chicken with cashew nuts and a sweet and sour chicken.
Okay, we just got to the market and we're gonna go get the ingredients to make the food tonight. So we are in a private class. We got the chef with us. This is awesome.
And this place called Guam Chong Market. Yeah, Mori.
Okay.
This is the name.
Okay.
Yeah, and this one pumpkin, the lettuce.
Smell it.
And this is the one that we're gonna use for the rice soup and the French bean
Oh, okay.
and all kind of the hot color. This is the jasmine rice. This is the sticky rice. You look at my palm, not the same color.
Oh, yeah.
The sticky rice, more starch. Yeah, this one let rice starch. Palm set.
Okay.
If not, then you can use the maple syrup. This we have khao soy curry paste, vitamin C paste. We use the tamarind for treating. When I say coconut juice, it means the water. The water inside is coconut juice. Yeah, I can show you coconut cream. 1, 2, 3. This is coconut cream. Coconut. Wow.
Okay. So we just went to that market and he showed us a bunch of things that we're going to be using to make some of the curries tonight and things like that. This market is awesome. We are definitely coming back here.
Sawadika. What?
I'm not hungry still.
Okay, that's okay then. This market is really awesome. There's like so much fresh fruit, fresh vegetables. We're not sure how it prices compared to a supermarket, but we're about to move to a different house that's like just down the road from here. So I think we'll definitely come back here and check this place out.
Kapunka,
How much was that?
25 baht.
Okay, we passed that dinner and already,
Okay.
and we go to the free, and then in 3 minutes we're gonna be there
Yeah.
and be there.
Oh, nice.
You record me, Daddy.
Is that okay, Humphrey? Thank you.
I don't remember you.
Is it okay if I share it with all my friends?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Whoa.
Oh.
Here. Oh,
Just it?
Okay, we're all kitted up with our awesome aprons.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
This is too little bit.
Here, girls, we get together.
Yay.
Okay, we're heading to the garden to get some vegetables. That's cool. This is so rad. I love it. So much fun.
Okay.
Each person?
Okay, 5 flowers.
Yeah, the blue flower. 5 each person.
So get 5 blue flowers, girls, okay? So down here too. Up, record.
I need 2 more.
Okay. We have seen the black.
Daddy, why you're not holding it? Some flowers.
One chili each person. You pick up one. Hey, yes. Okay, thank you. Yeah, 2. One more. Okay. This 1, 2. Yeah. Okay. Yes. One here. And make furniture.
Okay.
Good.
Oh, yeah.
We look at the
Oh, yeah.
So this is the ginger leaf. Yeah, let's smell. Yellow curry, and we use the leaf to wrap around the fish and then barbecue.
This is so freaking cool. We've done a couple cooking classes, but we've never like gone to the market and got our own stuff and then gone and picked it out of a garden. This is awesome. Touch it.
Hey!
See.
This is the young rice, the rice. So we have pink, green, and black. I grow them together.
Oh.
To see.
Cool.
And we have free drink, yeah, coffee, tea, water for free.
Okay.
That was us.
No worries.
This place is awesome.
One for pad thai, one for stir fry holy basil.
Oh,
This is high heat.
yeah.
On the gas stove.
Put it right in.
And then put into a pot.
Good job.
Good job. Ready? A second if you want. Wait, we need to do small. You're going way too fast. Hot? Good hot for me.
You ready? Excited?
Make small pieces.
You cut yourself on the knife last time?
Okay.
But now I'm not. As this one's a big knife, so I'm helping.
I'm gonna preparing the sauce for pad thai. This is the tamarind juice. And then crack the egg like this. Do it at the middle of the wok. Okay. The back of the until dry.
Watch them.
Until dry.
So good. Yep, it's really, really good.
Alright, now this one give to your dad. You have your own one. This all for Adams. Okay, now that's it.
There you go.
Okay, you can both.
Oh, that's heavy. Oh, that's heavy. That smells good.
Smells good.
Okay, perfect. Now open it.
Okay, can you help me add the sauce?
Mix like this.
Ready? Just hold my arm. Making pad thai. Cannot wait to eat this.
I got rice soup and pad
And I'll get your soup, okay?
You train the soup.
Amazing.
So the first things I made was a rice soup with chicken and prawns and this pad thai. This is absolutely amazing.
I made it.
Cora made it. I mean, I don't know if it's better because we picked all the stuff out of the garden
I
ourselves,
did it too.
but it's amazing. It's so good.
So I'm gonna try this soup I just made. Oh my god, I just made this soup so good.
There's nothing in the pot. Now I'm gonna combine the sauce for make sweet rice. remove the stem like this. Put the flour there. The stem drop here. This is the only cooking school in Chiang Mai that
Yeah.
making many color of rice. Only the best cooking school. Okay.
Have to take one.
That's done. Okay.
I'm making blue flowers for school.
We have Steve.
This class is awesome.
Like this, yeah, pour over first and squeeze back. Yes, and the other side. Now roll.
Roll.
Tight. Okay, now roll over.
There you go.
Good.
I told you I know how to make them.
You're right. You're a master.
No, spring rolls.
I don't know, girl. This might be the best one.
No.
Like, good.
Be careful of that.
Italian.
Apparently none of us are doing it right. You good? Alright, we just got the spring rolls. These look awesome. They're really hot though.
They're good.
Mama, now take me to the bathroom, please.
Yeah.
That is freaking good.
Hey, we just got these singles always.
I was trying to get it inspected. I'm gonna jump in. All the
Now your turn. Okay, stop. You finish it.
Okay, this place is so freaking cool. Lindsay, what do you think?
This place is awesome. Like,
Seriously,
amazing.
it is so awesome.
Yeah.
We've done like this is maybe like a 5th cooking class.
Yeah.
Probably
The carrots are yummy.
maybe the best. I don't know.
Yeah,
It's awesome.
I really
These facilities are so cool. The food's amazing. It's
Yeah, I
awesome.
mean, we got to see the market.
Oh, yeah.
first, And then we came here and saw his garden.
And picked all the food and stuff out of the garden.
Yeah, and we've been using that, and then just it's awesome.
Awesome.
It's so awesome.
So cool. So, and I think we're only halfway done. I don't even know how. We have so much food. So much food. Yeah, we'll see.
Maybe look at the other 3 dishes.
I know. That's right. But this cow soy, I'm really excited for.
Yeah, it's gonna be.
Yeah, we just got done making the curry paste for it, and I think we're gonna put it all together here in just a bit. Yeah,
Yeah, it's gonna be so good.
so good.
What's this?
So beautiful.
This is spicy.
It smells amazing. Cannot wait to eat this. It's one of our favorite dishes in Chiang Mai. Khao soy is one of our favorite dishes in Chiang Mai.
I'm gonna eat it.
What?
How'd I do?
Doing great. Really impressed with your knife skills.
Thank you. I like cooking.
And then have to get make it chop.
Get that forward?
Okay. Okay.
So much food. Come here. Put that down. You're not supposed to stop.
It's like a thing.
Then you pop that in.
You play that phone thing with the glove and hit that.
Pause. You must have a good fresh ingredients for cooking. Chicken, garlic, and onion. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, good.
Holy basil.
I got a lemon stuff.
What's that?
Too far with What's a snail?
And I just can't hide how I feel about you. Nothing can take that away. 'Cause you make the world so beautiful, so beautiful.
All right, so we just did the best Thai cooking course. It seriously was. It was amazing. This place was awesome. He took us to a market first, which you already saw. Then we also saw his garden, picked stuff for our food, and came and made a lot of dishes, like way too many. We only did 3 sets too, so we didn't even do all 5. Still, way too much food. But anyway, it was amazing and definitely recommend the best Thai cooking course. So it was 1,000 baht per person. Since we did 3 stations, 3,000 baht.
The best Thai cooking course is the book. You got to make it. That was the noble tea is amazing.
Amazing.
Okay, you want to bring this
Too
one
much.
later to eat? You can pack it in the back.
So this is the fun day at book.
So beautiful. And I just can't hide how I feel about you. Nothing can take that away. 'Cause you make the world so beautiful, so beautiful.
Yes, and we'll come back.
Yes. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
How's that?
That was so much fun. That was definitely the best Thai cooking course, for sure. It was amazing, the food was delicious, and it was a lot of fun.
That's it. We're home. Doesn't seem like a long day, but that was a long day. We'll see you later. No, you can't come in here. Bye.